आउज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अल्लाह के नाम से शुरू करता हूँ जो बड़ा मेहरबान और नहायत रहम करने वाला है। हमारे सब्जेक्ट का नाम एजुकेशनल स्टैटिस्टिक्स है और हम इस वक्त जो यूनिट नंबर 8 इसका पढ़ रहे हैं जिसका नाम है इन्फ्रेंशियल स्टैटिस्टिक्स, जिसमें हम अनोवा को देखेंगे। हम बेसिकली बीएड का कोर्स पढ़ रहे हैं ये, जिसका कोर्स कोड नंबर है 8614 और हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी का नाम है अल्लामा इकबाल ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी और प्रेजेंटेड बाय मैं यानी मोहम्मद सफदर खान आपसे मुखातिब हूँ। तो आइए स्टूडेंट शुरू करते हैं इस चैप्टर को। तो सबसे पहले इसका हम देख रहे हैं इंट्रोडक्शन, ये कि एनालिसिस ऑफ वेरिएंस अनोवा इज़ अ statistical procedure used to test the degree to which two or more group vary or differ in an experiment. This unit will give you an insight of ANOVA, its logic, one way ANOVA is assumptions, logic and procedure, F distribution, interpretation of F distribution and मल्टीपल प्रोसीजर विल ऑल्सो भी डिस्कस, इसमें ही डिस्कस होंगे इंट्रोडक्शन में। आगे हम चलते हैं इसके ऑब्जेक्टिव में। तो ये है नंबर 1, एक्सप्लेन व्हाट अनोवा इज़, राइट डाउन द लॉजिकल लॉजिक बिहाइंड यूजिंग अनोवा। फिर हम नंबर 3 में पढ़ेंगे एक्सप्लेन व्हाट एफ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इज़। फिर हम पढ़ेंगे एक्सप्लेन लॉजिकल बिहाइंड वन वे अनोवा। फिर हमारे पास है एक्सप्लेन द असम्पशंस अंडरलाइनिंग वन वे अनोवा। और फिर हम पढ़ेंगे नंबर 6 एक्सप्लेन मल्टीपल कंपैरिजन प्रोसीजर्स। आइए स्टूडेंट शुरू करते हैं इंट्रोडक्शन को से। तो इंट्रोडक्शन के इंट्रोडक्शन टू अनो एनालिसिस ऑफ वेरिएंस, जैसे हम अनोवा कहते हैं इसका मुखफ़फ़ है एनालिसिस ऑफ वेरिएंस। स्टूडेंट्स आप ये याद रखना है। द टी टेस्ट्स हैव वन वेरी सीरियस लिमिटेशन, दे आर रिस्ट्रिक्टेड टू टेस्ट्स of the significance of a difference between only two groups. These are many times when we like to see it there are significant difference among 3, 4 or even more groups. For example, we may want to investigate which of the three teaching methods is best for teaching ninth class algebra. In such case, the cannot use t-test because more than two groups are involved. To deal with the such type of cases, one of the most useful technique is statistics is analysis of variance, abstract or as ANOVA. This technique was developed by British statistician Robert A. Fisher डेनी कॉफ ने 2019 बर्थ 1981 में उन्होंने बनाया था। ये जी इंट्रोडक्शन टू एनालिसिस ऑफ अनोवा। ये क्या जी, एनालिसिस ऑफ वेरिएंस अनोवा इज़ अ हाइपोथेसिस टेस्टिंग process that is used to evaluate mean difference between two or more treatments or population like all other inferential procedure. ANOVA uses sample test to as a basis for drawing general conclusions about population. Sometimes it may appear that ANOVA and t-test are two different ways of doing exactly the same thing. Tests for each difference in some case this is true, but test use sample data to test a hypothesis about population mean. However, ANOVA has much more advantage over t-test. T-test are used when we have compared only two groups of variance, one independent, another is one dependent. On the other hand, ANOVA is used when we have two or more than two independent variables treatments. Suppose we want to study the effects of three different models of teaching on the achievement of students. In this case, we have three different samples to be treated using three different treatments. So ANOVA is the suitable technique to evaluate the difference. यानी कि ये सूटेबल वैल्यू होती है अनोवा डिफरेंस को निकालने। तो हम क्या पढ़ें, लॉजिक ऑफ अनोवा। आगे ये क्या है, लेट अस टेक हाइपोथेसिस डाटा गिवन इन द टेबल 8.1 हाइपोथेसिस डाटा फ्रॉम एन एक्सपेरिमेंटल एग्जामिंग लर्निंग परफॉर्मेंस अंडर 3 टेम्परेचर कंडक्ट। इसमें 3 टेम्परेचर को कंडक्ट T1 टेम्परेचर 1 है, टेम्परेचर 2 है, टेम्परेचर 3 आप देख रहे हैं, का 50 है सेंटीग्रेड, का 70, का 90 है। फिर को पहले को हम सैम्पल 1 करें, अगले को सैम्पल 2 करें, अगले को सैम्पल 3, सबको ऐड किया तो 1 के इक्वल आ रहा है, और इसको किया तो 4 आ रहा है इसका, और इसका करें तो 1 आ रहा है। आगे हम चलते हैं, डेयर इन सबका जो कि मीन निकला है तो इन सबको हम ऐड करेंगे और उसको डिवाइड बन के 1 2 3 4 ये 5 बार के 5 से किए तो डिवाइड करें तो वजह से 3 को 4 5 करें, 5 डिवाइड बाई 5 1 आता है। इन सारों करें 4 आर टी सी को करेंगे इस तरह, 5 डिवाइड बाई 5 करें तो 1 आता है। सैम्पल 3 का भी फिर डेयर आर 3 सैम्पल्स वेयर एन इज इक्वल टू 5 इन ईच केस, द डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल इज द नंबर ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स एंड सॉल्विंग करेक्शन। ये इस तरह से करेक्शन होगी। फिर लॉजिक ऑफ अनोवा, लॉजिक अनोवा की क्या है ये स्टूडेंट्स हम अब देखने जा रहे हैं कि डीज data represent resultant of an ANOVA measure experiment compare learning performance under 3 temperature conditions. The score are variable and we want to measure the amount of variability, that is the size of difference. To explain where it comes from, it compares the total variability. We will combine all scores from all the separate samples into one group and then obtain one general measure of variability for the complete experiment. Once we have measured the total variability, we can begin to break it into a separate components. The word analysis means breaking into small parts. Because we are going to analyze the variability, the process is called analyzing of variance. फिर है जी ANOVA. This ANOVA process divide the total variance into two basic components. वो क्या स्टूडेंट्स अब हम देख रहे हैं, सबसे कह रहे बिटवीन ट्रीटमेंट एंड वेरिएंस, ये कि वेरिएंस सैम्पल मीन डिफरेंट एंड टू कैलकुलेट द वेरिएंस is a process of measuring how big the difference are for a set of numbers. The better treatment variance is measured how much difference exists between the treatment condition. In addition to measuring differences between the treatment, the overall goal of analysis is to evaluate the difference between treatment. Specify the purpose for the analysis is to distinguish between the analysis explained. एक है the difference between the treatment has been calculated been caused by the treatment effect. फिर है the difference between the treatments are simply due to change. आगे क्या है, thus there are always two possible explanation for the variance difference that exists between the treatment. Number one के treatment effect, the differences are caused by the treatment. For the data in the table 8.1, the score is sample 1 are obtained at room temperature of the 50 degree centigrade and the sample at 20, यानी सेम टाइम पे वो इस डिग्री लिखे. इट इज़ पॉसिबल दैट द डिफरेंस बिटवीन अ सैम्पल कॉज बाय डिफरेंस इन रूम टेम्परेचर की डिफरेंस की बात हो रही. फिर नंबर 2 के चांस, द डिफरेंस आर सैम्पल ड्यू टू चांस. इफ देयर इज अ not treatment effect, even then we can expect some different between samples. The change difference are unplanned and unpredictable difference that are not caused or explained by any action or research. Researchers commonly identify two primary modes of change difference. Number 1 के individual difference. Each participant of the study has its own individual characteristics. Although it is responsible to explain the different subject will produce different scores, it is important to predict exactly what the difference will be. फिर है experimental error. ये क्या, in any measurement there is a chance of some degree of error. फिर does, if a researcher measure the same individual two under the conditions, there is great possibility to obtain two different measurements. Often these differences are unplanned and unpredictable, so they are considered to be change. Okay, thus when we calculate the better treatment variance. We are measured difference that can be either by treatment effect or could simply be due to change. In order to demonstrate the, that the difference is uh, readily the treatment of effect, we must establish that the difference between the treatment are biggest than would be expected by change alone. To accomplish this goal, we will determine how big the difference is when there is a no change effect involved. This is we will measure how much difference variance occur by chance. To measure change difference we compute the variance within treatment. आगे क्या है जी? नंबर टू ये है जी विद इन ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ वेरियंस ये कि विद इन ईच ट्रीटमेंट कंडीशन वी हैव सेट ऑफ इंडिविजुअल हु आर treated exactly the same and the researcher does not do anything that would cause these individuals participants to have different scores. For example, in a table 8.1, the data show that five individuals were treated at 70 centigrade room temperature. Although these five students were all treated exactly at the same day, their scores are different. Questions is why are score different? A plan answer is that it is due to change 8.1 are measured by the each of the two basic components. ये क्या है जी? नीचे हमारे पास एक टेबल बना हुआ है, इसमें क्या है टोटल वेरिएंस वेरिएबिलिटी टोटल वेरिएबिलिटी लेफ्ट पे आप देख रहे हैं हमारे पास एरो बना हुआ है, इसमें क्या बिटवीन ट्रीटमेंट वेरिएंस और राइट पे आप देख रहे हैं विद इन ट्रीटमेंट वेरिएंस ये क्या है मेजर डिफरेंस ड्यू टू मेजर डिफरेंस ड्यू टू ये क्या है ड्यू टू चांस है नीचे राइट पे और इस तरफ क्या है ड्यू टू ट्रीटमेंट इफेक्ट और चांस दो चीज़ें independent measurement analysis of variance partition of or analyze the total variability to two components variance between the treatment and the variance within treatment. आगे स्टूडेंट्स हम देख रहे हैं the F distribution ये कि after analyzing the total variance into two basic components between the treatment and the within the treatment, the next step is to compare them. The comparing is made by the components are statistical called F ratio. For independent mean ANOVA, the F ratio is calculated using the formula. Formula use किया था F is the variance between treatment divided by variance within treatment. फिर है जी F is equal to treatment effect plus difference due to change और फिर difference due to change. फिर ये the value obtained for F ratio will help determine whether or not any treatment of effect exists. Consider about stated two possibilities. आगे के नंबर when the treatment has no effect, then the difference between the treatments will be entirely due to change. In this case, the numerator and the denominator of f has a value equal to 1. If in terms of formula we have f is equal to 0 plus difference due to change per difference divided by difference due to change per is equal to difference due to change divided by difference is equal to 1. The f ratio equals to 1.00 indicates that the difference between the treatments are about the same as the difference expected by the change. So when f ratio is equal to 1.00, we will conclude that there is no evidence to suggest that the difference has any effect. फिर है जी नंबर 2 पे when the treatment does have any effect, then between treatment difference numericals should be large than the change denominator. In this case, numerators of the f ratio largely than 100. Thus, a large f ratio indicates that the difference between the are greater than the chance that is the treatment does have a significant effect. आगे के स्टूडेंट्स हमारे पास ये इंटरप्रिटेशन ऑफ द एफ टेबल इंटरप्रिटेशन एफ टेबल एफ स्टैटिस्टिक की क्या है the denominator is the f statistics, the numerator our estimated of the variance is assuming that the h naught is true. Hence if f is equal to 2, then our sample has 2 times as much variance as we would expected if h naught were the true. If the f is equal to 0, then our sample has 10 times as much variance as we would expect if h naught is equal to 0, where 80 true, 10 times is quite a bit more variance than we would expect. In fact, for demonstrated degrees of freedom larger than for any number of numerator degree of freedom, we would reject h naught at the 5% level with a f statistics of 10. आगे क्या स्टूडेंट हमारे पास वन वे अनोवा लॉजिक एंड प्रोसीजर ये क्या है द वन वे अनोवा वेरिएंस अनोवा इज एग्जिस्टिंग ऑफ independent of two samples and t test. It is stated techniques by which we can test if three or more means are equal. It tests if tests if the value of single variable difference significantly among three or more levels of factors. We can also say that one-way ANOVA is a procedure of testing hypothesis that k population means are equal, where k is equal to 2. It compare the mean of the sample or group in order to make inference about the population mean. Specifically, it tests the null hypothesis, इसमें क्या h not h mu1 is equal to mu2 mu3 is equal to म्यू के, यानी कि जितने भी हैं इसमें सब आ जाते हैं, यानी इन्फिनिट तक एक लिमिट तक होते हैं. वेयर म्यू इज़ अ ग्रुप ऑफ मीन्स एंड के इज़ अ नंबर ऑफ ग्रुप्स, जितने ग्रुप्स होते हैं इनको 1 2 3 जहाँ तक होंगे वहाँ तक ये लग जाएंगे. If one way ANOVA yet statistically significant result, we accept the alternative hypothesis HA, जिसे H alternative हम कहते हैं which stated that there are two groups mean that are statistically significant difference from each other. Here it should be kept in mind that one way ANOVA can tell which specific group will what statistically significant difference from each other. To determine which specific group are different from each other, a researcher will have to use post hoc test. आगे क्या है as there is only one independent variable or factor in one way ANOVA, so it is also called single factor ANOVA. The independent variable has nominal level or as a few ordinal level. Also, there is only one dependent variable or and hypotheses are formulated about the mean of the group on dependent variable. फिर the dependent variables differentiates independent individual on some quantitative dimensions. आगे स्टूडेंट्स हमारे पास आ रहे हैं assumptions underlining on the one way ANOVA. ये क्या नंबर 1 assumptions of independent. According to this assumption, the observations are random and independent sample from population. The null hypothesis according actually stated that the sample could come from the population that has the same mean. The sample must be random and independent if they are to be represented of the population. Period. The value of one observation is no related to any other observation. In other words, one independent score should not be provided any clue as to show any of these independent individual show score. This is one way even does not depend on another. A lack of assumptions of independent leads to most series of consequences. If this assumption is valid, or one way ANOVA will inappropriate to statistics. आगे मेरे पास स्टूडेंट्स आता ये है नंबर टॉपिक है assumption of nominality. ये क्या है the distribution of the population from which the samples are selected are normal. This assumption implies that the dependent variable is nominally distributed in each of the group. One way ANOVA is constructed robust test against the assumption of nominality and tolerates the violation of this assumption as regarding the nominality of the group data. The One way ANOVA can tolerate data that is nominal skewness or kurtosis distribution with the only small effect on one error rate per. However, platykurtosis can have a profound effect per. When group size are small, this leaves research with two options: their transformation data using the various algorithms so that the shape of the distribution become normal distribution, or फिर क्या है नंबर टू पे choose non parametric Crotok वाली H test which does not require the assumption of nominated. This is available in SPSS. आगे हमारे पास आता है assumption 3 में है assumption of homogeneity of variance. ये क्या the variance of the distribution in the population are equal. This assumption provides that the distribution in the population have the same shape, mean and variance, that is they are same population. In other words, the variance on the dependent variables are equal across the group. If assumptions of the homogeneity of variance has been violated, then two possible tests can be run. इसमें क्या होता है वेल्हा टेस्ट और क्या है ब्राउन एंड फ्रोस्ट्री टेस्ट. Although kurtosis variance H test can be used, all these tests are available in SPSS. आगे के हमारे पास है जो लॉजिक बिहाइंड वन वे अनोवा. इसमें क्या है इन ऑर्डर टू टेस्ट पेयर ऑफ सैम्पल mean difference by more than would be expected by change, we might conduct a series of t-tests on k sample mean. However, this approach has a major problem, that is when we use the t-test once there is a chance of type 1 error, and the magnitude of the error is usually 5% of the running two tests of the same sample data. We will have to increase the change of making errors to 10%. For third administration it will be 15% and so on. These are unacceptable errors. The number of tests need to compare all possible number here would be k, इसमें ब्रैकेट आने k minus 1 और फिर डिवाइड बाई 2, फिर k is the number of mean है. फिर when more than one t test is run each at the specific level of the significance such as k is equal to 0.05, the probability of the making one or more type 1 error is a series of t test is greater than alpha. The increased number of type 1 error is determined as 1 minus alpha is की power c लिखे, where alpha is equal to level of significance of the each separate t test, और फिर c इसके number of independent t test. फिर an ANOVA control the chance for these errors so that the type 1 error remains at 5% and the researcher can become more confident about the results. आगे क्या है जी procedure for the using ANOVA. In the using the ANOVA mutually, we need first to compute the total number, the total sum of squares SSS total, and then partition this value into components. Number one, between the treatment and within the treatment. This analysis is outlier, that is क्या है जी SST और SST ट्रीटमेंट है और SST विदिन ट्रीटमेंट है. फिर इसके पार्टीशन है टोटल सम ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट है, तो टोटल सम ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट नीचे SS टोटल सम ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर, फिर एक्स का सम स्क्वायर वैन बट एक्स का स्क्वायर जी स्क्वायर, देन टोटल एक्स का जी बाई जी बाई टू. फिर नंबर सेकंड पे सम ऑफ स्क्वायर्स विद इन द ट्रीटमेंट SS होता है. विकी जो भी लिखे द सम ऑफ द स्क्वायर्स इनसाइड द ईच ट्रीटमेंट कैन बी कैलकुलेटेड एज SS विद इन SS1 प्लस SS2 सम ऑफ SS एन तक जाएगा. फिर सम ऑफ S इंक्लूड ये एंट्री ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट ईच ट्रीटमेंट. Number 3, sum of squares between the treatment SSS bro the composition formula for SS ये क्या SS bro sum of टी स्केयर डिवाइड बाय माइनस जी का स्केयर डिवाइड बाय नाउ एस एस टी टोटल एंड सम ऑफ ब्रॉन्ज इज प्लस एस एस विद इन। आगे स्टूडेंट्स हमारे पास है मल्टीपल कंपैरिजन प्रोसीजर ये कि इन वन वे अनोवा आर स्केयर मेजर्स द इफेक्ट साइज इट suffers one possible limitation. It does not indicate which group may be responsible for a significant error. फिर all this is significant R square and F statistics say it is the mean for the group as unlike to have been sampled from does had or there is no sample and value and calculated to the problem of comparison to different levels of the ANOVA factor. A number of statistical method has been developed to test for the difference in mean among the level of an ANOVA factor. Collectively, these are known as multiple comparison procedures MCPS or sometimes as a post hoc after the fact test period. These tests should be used regarding as an after thought data rigorous examination of prescription hypothesis. फिर जी हमारे पास multiple comparison procedures. Most of the multiples are mean to pair wise comparison of the group mean to determine which are significant from which others. The main purpose of most multiple comprises procedure is to control the overall significance level for some set of inferences performed as a follow-up to ANOVA. This overall significance level is the probability condition on the null hypothesis being tested being true of rejection at least one of them equivalently of having at least one confidence interval not include the true value period. Variance method differ in how well they prepare control the overall significance level and in their relevant power. फिर commonly used method send their relevant power is given below. फिर bone frenon it is extremely general and simple but often not powerful. फिर Tunkeys it is the best of all possible pair-wise comparisons when the sample size are unequal or confident intervals are needed. It is also very good even the equal sample size without confidence interval. फिर है जी step down it is more powerful for all possible pairwise comprises when sample size are equal. फिर है do connects it is suitable for comparing one sample to each of the other but not comparing the other to each other. फिर है whose MCB के it comprises each mean to be best of the other mean. फिर है so fears it is suitable for unplanned contrast among set of means. तो फी हमारे अल्लाह स्टूडेंट ये हमारा चैप्टर 8 इख्तिताम पजीर होता है हमारा कोर्स कोड 8614 का. तो गुड लक टू योर फाइनल एग्जाम्स. अल्लाह हाफिज़.